Okay, so it's my 2017 Ice Bear Mini Max. Like I said, the guy I bought it from wrecked it. Broke the mirror mount off of the front left brake. So I bought replacement mirrors now on the handlebars. They look exactly like the ones that were on it before. Then I find out my brake light is on all the time. Checked the switch and it wasn't opening back up. It was staying closed circuit, so it was getting power to the tail light all the time. Unplugged it. Now I just have to use the other one for the brake light to work. Until I get a new switch in, which I should be getting in a day or two. The other problem is the turn signals weren't working. I checked this thing high and low, put a new flasher on it, tried to find broken wires. It took me a whole day of working through this. So I started opening up the wiring harness. And right here, you can see in this picture, there are a bunch of black wires coming out that are all hooked together. And when you turn the switch on, they get power to them. Turn it off, they go off. So what I did was I ran a wire, black wire, since the rest of them were black. Hooked it in right here. And the other end of the wire back to the flasher plug right here. Installed it behind the wire on the plug. That's where the power goes in. Now, turn the switch on. The flasher on. And we've got turn signals. Both sides. So I'm going to go back and run this wire back inside the wiring harness and tape it off. And another thing, this flasher, it is right here. It was way up under the middle of the bike, under the gas tank. It took me almost an hour to find it. First I thought that was bad, so I replaced it. Still wasn't working. Then I found this little wire trick. So, nothing else on the bike is making any noise, nothing smoking, no other problems. So whatever's causing it not to get power to this flasher, I've jumped it. Blinkers work. So there you go. That's just in case you need to know, because I watch videos on YouTube for God knows at least 8 hours trying to find what the problem could be not getting power to this thing. Then I just decided to jump to it. There you go. If this video was helpful to any Ice Bear or other scooter people, hit the like button. I don't know how many more videos I'll be doing, but if something starts whipping my butt, I'll definitely put a video on there. Have a good day.